Did you know that nearly 80% of people who lose weight through traditional diets regain it within a year? This alarming statistic highlights the struggle many face with sustained weight loss. However, there's a method gaining popularity that promises not just weight loss, but a myriad of health benefits: intermittent fasting. Join us on this video as we learn about all the important things we can start to do together to create lasting, sustained change and improve the quality of our life and optimal health. Stay tuned to the end so you don't miss a thing. If you like learning about topics like this and others, then don't forget to like us, subscribe to our channel, and smash that notification bell so you can be alerted the next time we drop a video on other great topics for your optimal health. Let's go! Intermittent fasting isn't just a trend, it's a scientifically backed approach. Studies show that intermittent fasting can reduce body weight by 3 to 8% over 3 to 24 weeks. This method doesn't just focus on what you eat, but when you eat, making it a sustainable lifestyle change rather than a temporary fix or a short-term diet fad. Imagine a world where you don't have to count every calorie or restrict yourself from your favorite foods. Intermittent fasting offers this freedom, making it an appealing choice for many. But how does it work? Let's dive deeper into the basics and uncover the truth behind this trend. Intermittent fasting is about timing your meals to optimize your body's functions. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Popular methods include the 16-8 method, the 5-2 diet, and eat-stop-eat. The 16-8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat from noon to 8 p.m. and fast from 8 p.m. to noon the next day. The 5-2 diet involves eating normally for 5 days and restricting calories to about 500 to 600 on 2 non-consecutive days. Eat-stop-eat involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. These methods work well and can be done more often if needed. These methods allow your body to enter ketosis, burning fat for energy. This switch to fat as the primary fuel source makes intermittent fasting effective for weight loss. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes. Intermittent fasting offers a host of health benefits beyond weight loss. One of the most significant is improved metabolic health. When you fast, insulin levels drop and human growth hormone levels increase. This hormonal shift promotes fat burning and muscle gain, leading to a more toned physique. Another benefit is enhanced brain function. Fasting stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports brain health. Higher levels of BDNF are associated with improved cognitive function and a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Furthermore, intermittent fasting can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that it can lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides, reducing the risk of heart disease. It also improves insulin sensitivity, which helps prevent type 2 diabetes. Additionally, intermittent fasting has anti-aging benefits. Fasting triggers autophagy, a process where the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This cellular cleanup reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, contributing to a longer, healthier life. Countless individuals have experienced life-changing results with intermittent fasting. Take, for instance, John, a 45-year-old who struggled with obesity for years. After adopting the 16-8 method, John lost 50 pounds in 6 months. He reported feeling more energetic and mentally sharp, attributing his success to the simplicity and flexibility of intermittent fasting. Scientific studies back these anecdotal successes. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that intermittent fasting improves cardiovascular health, reduces obesity, and enhances longevity. Another study in cell metabolism showed that intermittent fasting could reverse type 2 diabetes in mice. Research also indicates that intermittent fasting can improve the gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in overall health. A study in the journal Nature found that fasting changes the composition of gut bacteria, promoting the growth of beneficial microbes that support digestion and immunity. These real-life examples and scientific findings underscore the effectiveness of intermittent fasting. They show that this approach is not just a fad, but a viable option for improving health and well-being. Next up, we have common misconceptions and truths. Despite its popularity, intermittent fasting is often misunderstood. A common misconception is that fasting leads to muscle loss. In reality, it can help preserve muscle while promoting fat loss. This is due to increased human growth hormone during fasting. Another myth is that fasting slows metabolism. Short-term fasting can boost metabolism by increasing norepinephrine. Some believe fasting is too difficult to maintain. Many find it easier than constant calorie restriction. The flexibility of fasting windows allows you to tailor it to your lifestyle. It may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with medical conditions. Consulting a healthcare professional before starting is advisable. Now we have intermittent fasting and your lifestyle. Integrating intermittent fasting into your lifestyle can be straightforward and rewarding. The key is to find a method that suits your daily routine and personal preferences. For many, the 16-8 method fits well with their work schedule, allowing them to skip breakfast and enjoy lunch and dinner within an 8-hour window. Meal planning can also make the transition smoother. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide energy and satiety during your eating windows. Incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats will help you feel full and satisfied. Staying hydrated is crucial during fasting periods. Drinking water, herbal teas, and black coffee can help curb hunger and keep you hydrated. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods, as they can spike insulin levels and counteract the benefits of fasting. Social support can also enhance your intermittent fasting journey. Joining a group or finding a fasting buddy can provide motivation and accountability. Sharing experiences and tips with others can make the process more enjoyable and sustainable. Here is some extra science behind intermittent fasting, which is both fascinating and compelling. When you fast, your body undergoes several changes at the cellular and molecular levels. Intermittent fasting also influences gene expression. It activates genes related to longevity and protection against diseases. This genetic activation is associated with improved health and a longer lifespan. Moreover, intermittent fasting enhances the body's ability to adapt to stress. This adaptive response, known as hormesis, strengthens the body's resilience to various stressors, contributing to overall health and well-being. Next, we have your motivational call to action: how to begin your journey. Are you ready to transform your health and well-being with intermittent fasting? Now is the perfect time to start. Embrace the simplicity and flexibility of this approach and discover a new way to achieve your health goals. Intermittent fasting offers a sustainable solution that goes beyond weight loss. It can enhance your metabolism, improve brain function, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. With countless success stories and scientific backing, intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for a healthier life. Take the first step today. Choose a method that suits your lifestyle and give it a try. Remember, the journey to better health starts with a single step. Embrace the change and watch as your body transforms. What now? How to embrace the trend for a healthier you. Intermittent fasting is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle that promotes holistic health. By understanding the science and benefits behind this approach, you can make informed decisions about your health journey. The flexibility and simplicity of intermittent fasting make it an accessible and sustainable option for many people looking for a more long-term sustainable approach to health and fat loss. As you embrace intermittent fasting, remember to listen to your body and adjust as needed. It's important to find a balance that works for you, ensuring that you meet your nutritional needs while enjoying the benefits of fasting. Stay motivated by focusing on the positive changes you experience. Whether it's weight loss, increased energy, or improved mental clarity, celebrate your progress and keep pushing forward. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool that can help you achieve a healthier, happier life. So why wait? Start your intermittent fasting journey today and unlock the potential of this transformative approach. If you feel you might want some professional, personalized guidance for your health journey, check out the link in the description for private virtual health and wellness coaching and other resources, because we are all in this optimal health journey together. Please go to the comments section and share with the community what resonated with you, what tips have helped you, or other topics you would like to see discussed in future videos. Don't forget to like this, Subscribe to our channel and check out other videos on our related topics or anything else you find helpful in our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.